guys, my name is Charis, if you guys didn't know, and today I'm going to be doing a blank. It's a surprise, and I'll be back with it. So I'm back with it, and you probably know what it is, or maybe not. So let's just say, and let's check it out. Be right back. I'll take it out. So guys, I'm back with it, and you guys probably know what it is. Slime. If you guys don't know what slime, it's like this really fun thing. It's just satisfying, and it's gooey, as you guys can hear. Be right back. You can. So here it is, and let's hear the noise. So, sorry guys. So, I think you guys have heard enough, and here it is. You can make bubbles with this, but it takes practice. So, see, I made this bubble. Hear that crunch, ready? Hear that crunch. That wasn't really a good crunch. I'll show you what's a crunch. I just need to make the bubble first.
You guys just want sour cream on them, right?
Yeah. Ready, ready, ready? Okay, so that got stuck on my chin. This is really fun to play with. You can buy all the ingredients, and it's just going to be this. And I have a container here. It has this, like, slurper. And I have this cap, so when I'm done playing with it, I just put it in here, and I cap this one, and that's it. So I love you guys. Mwah.